Look at that beautiful soft shell crab sitting on top of a ramen. That and other Japanese comfort food. Tapos maganda rin yung place, maganda yung service. So talagang na-enjoy namin yung dining experience namin dito. Kaya naman kung mahilig ka rin sa ramen and other Japanese food, then let me tell you all about it. The place is called Nagi Izakaya. Ito yung mas sosyal na ate ni Ramen Nagi. We visited their branch dito sa ground floor ng The Podium sa Ortigas. Ito na yung parang naging stopover ko bago kami mag-attend ng isang event sa Mall of Asia. Ito yung mga in-order naming dishes for today at isa-isahin natin yan. Syempre uunahin ko itong Crab King because that soft shell crab is everything. I knew I just had to take a big bite out of it and get all of that crabby goodness. Yung ramen naman itself, I really love that the broth is infused with all of that nori flavor. Kaya sobrang goods to para dun sa mga seafood lovers. Nag-order din kami nitong Butao King. Ito yung pinaka-safe na order kung hindi ka masyadong adventurous sa food. Yung broth niya is pork tonkotsu, which is super savory and comforting. Their Aburi Salmon is always a good idea. It's super tasty and there's really something about that torched salmon that I just can't get enough of. Up next is their Hamburg curry. So it has rice under a blanket of scrambled eggs with that Hamburg steak on top and that curry sauce that has a touch of sweetness, which I think is a little bit uncommon sa Japanese curry, but I actually like it. We also had chicken yakitori with onion leeks. Simpleng salt and pepper lang yung pinalagay ko. Lastly, meron din tayong pork buns and these are so good. Meron yung steamed bun with lettuce, cucumber, Japanese mayo, and that melts in your mouth braised pork belly. For me, sobrang worth the hype itong Nagi Izakaya. Here's a price list of everything we ordered for your reference at sana matry nyo rin sila soon. Enjoy!